Welcome to Krabi Town. This is the Sunday night market. There will be fried foods, delicious pastries, cakes. I don't know what we're gonna have, but this will be a delicious, sweet treat adventure that I want you guys to come join. Oh, these donuts are so good. We just got to see them freshly made over there. He was asking where we're from. So friendly. This is our first dessert.
Chase and I love Thai donuts, and we saw these big, fluffy, huge Thai donuts when we walked by this little station. Like, I can't. This is the biggest one I've ever seen. But we also got the pandan custard. I think we got to choose from like taro or pandan. Went with the green one because it's delicious. And they deep fried these fresh. They are hot in my hand. I'm just like, get all the custard.
Never enough custard.
Never enough. Oh my god. This one is so fluffy. It is sweet. It has that saltiness that's always in Thai donuts. That's what I love about their donuts, is they have that saltiness. And then this pandan custard tastes a lot like coconut, which sometimes you can't taste the coconut. I don't know if they put coconut in it all the time, but coconut, Thai donut, this is incredible. I spy some coconut ice cream, and I think we need some of that because it is amazing. Hello. Hello. Can we get that nung maprao? You can see just the fresh coconut in there too, and all the toppings. We did caramel sauce. I haven't seen caramel yet, so, and of course some peanuts. You gotta get the peanuts on there. Sprinkles to top it off. Oh, that looks so pretty. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
We saw some coconut shells. Well, that means coconut ice cream. And look at this beautiful purple rice. We got sprinkles, caramel sauce, and peanuts on top of here. I'm just dying in anticipation. This is so good. If you guys have never tried coconut ice cream in Thailand, what are you doing? Come on, buy some of this the next time you're in Thailand. Look at these. I don't know what these are other than that they have coconut in them. So we were walking by, and all we know is we asked maprao. So we know that there's coconut, but other than that, not too sure. It almost looks like one of those glutinous rice balls. It's salty. Oh, and then there's some crunch in there. I think it's like palm sugar in the center with like a glutinous rice ball covered in coconut. That is really good. Super happy I picked this out.
There's these delicious little cakes that she has on display here, and honestly they just look incredible. So I think we're gonna try maybe the cashew one. It looks like it's cashew. Okay, look at these beautiful little desserts. Yum, they look so yummy. Aroy mak. Okay. My Thai. Oh, yeah, look at this cute little dessert. When I unwrapped this cake and took off the little cake lid thing, I'm not kidding you when I tell you it smelled like a world of like caramel. I don't even know what it was, but it smelled incredible. I'm gonna get some of this little cream and then all the nuts too.
It's falling, whoa!
Can't forget the nuts. Oh gosh, let me just. Oh my god. That cake is like spongy and moist, and the cream, it tastes like a nutty cream frosting on top. I don't even know what. That is so good. Maybe like a hint of caramel too. That's delicious. No?
Oh, I want one of those ones.
That's really candy?
I do.
Candy one?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Should we get two then?
Sure. That looks really good.
That's so cool. was wondering, I was like, that's gonna be messy if it's just chocolate. And he's still cooling it. That's really neat. I wonder what's in there. Ice?
Ice water, yeah.
I'm loving all these sprinkle vibes. Everybody has sprinkles. Sprinkles are so fun. Look at these.
Those look marvelous.
Chase got the candy one. I got the marshmallow one. These look super fun.
I'm so excited. I haven't really gotten a candy sort of thing in Thailand, like Western candy. So this,
Yeah, like sour watermelon.
I'm very excited.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers, baby. Oh man. Okay. Chocolate covered sour watermelon is so good.
I feel like I need one of yours.
I'll try a marshmallow one.
Yours is better.
Of course it is.
I thought that'd be weird having a chocolate covered candy
No.
watermelon, but it's actually really good.
Phenomenal.
This basically just tastes like a chocolate covered marshmallow.
Yeah.
It's good though.
They're both very good, but the candy's where it's at.
It is. So when in Thailand, you have to get the mango sticky rice. And they give, it's not mango sticky rice if you don't get the beans. So you gotta put the beans all over because they add that crunch factor. And the Thais, I just recently learned this, they bite the corner of this to pour it on. Let's see if I can do it.
Maybe learned that from me.
Oh God. Okay, did I do it? Oh, kinda. Look at this. Wow. Okay, it's going everywhere. Oh.
Whoa.
Okay, I got some on there, so. Watch your eyeballs when you do this.
Yeah.
All right, did we get a good one? Let's see. That's a great one. So, this mango is a really good mango. It's sweet, it's fresh, and then you know you get a good one when that rice is like perfectly salted. And then you put the coconut milk on and it makes it like creamy. You got the freshness from the fruit. Like mango sticky rice, I could probably eat this every single day. It is just fantastic. No complaints here. Follow me. Chocolate. We got this cute little chocolate tart, and I love chocolate. I'm so excited.
It was very hard to decide between the egg tart and this tart because we've never tried either of these kinds of tarts here.
Let me give you a bite. It's like a brownie baked into a tart.
Oh man. I really do like the almonds on top.
That's so rich. And the crust is like
The
so
crust
flaky.
is very crusty. Crusty and flaky.
Oh man. This is like tickling all my chocolate fancy dreams. That sounds bad. Oh my god.
That's
I didn't
delicious.
say that. Oh, this is the reality. So many sweets. So many sweets. I can't do anymore. You want a donut? No, no. Thanks for joining us on this delicious dessert tour. The dessert queen herself is desserted out. Everything was honestly amazing. Highly recommend eating all the dessert foods in Thailand, and we will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed.